Good morning class. Myself Rinki Maurya and this is our experiment number 4. Objective of this experiment is to determination of root locus plot using MATLAB control system toolbox for second order system and obtain controller specification parameters. Objective is to write a MATLAB code to obtain a root locus plot for given system. Materials required, MATLAB software. So, what is root locus? Root locus is a graphical representation in S domain and their plot is symmetrical about the real axis because the open loop poles and zeros exits in the S domain having the values either as real or as complex conjugate pairs. This is MATLAB. In the editor window, we have to write a code for root locus plot of forward gate transfer function gs equal to 1 by s plus 2. So, before writing the code, we use CLC, clear all and close all. And all this is used to clear all the previous text from the command window. Clear all is used to delete the variables created in workspace and close all is used to delete or close all the previous figure. After that, we assign numerator of gs as 1, denominator of gs as poly 0 and minus 2 for s and s plus 2. Then g is tf. Tf command is used for transfer function numerator and denominator, and use rlocus command for plotting the root locus of g. And run this. Here we got transfer function g equal to 1 by open loop transfer function 1 by s square plus 2s. The power of s in denominator maximum power is 2. So, given system is second order system. And this is the root locus plot. Root locus plot is used to observe the movement of poles of the transfer function. Here, this point shows the poles of the system. First pole is at s equal to 0 and second pole at s equal to minus 2, like here, first and second. In the root locus diagram, we can observe the path of the closed loop poles. Hence, we can identify the nature of the control system. In this technique, we will use an open loop transfer function to know the stability of the closed loop control system. In this figure, at k equals to 0, pole exists. Means at this point, value of gain k is 0. And as we increases the k, the position of pole changes. So, in this plot, by using the value of gain k, we can locate the position of poles. as we change the value of k, system pole position getting changed. So root locus is a method which explain a diagram where value of poles and zeros getting changed. System pole is starting from k equal to 0, and as k increasing, the locus is going in this direction. And this ends at k equals to infinite. So this is how system characteristics is behaving. So here, by using root locus methodology, we plot system's dynamic characteristics whose position is of poles moving with respect to constant gain k. For this system g equal to 1 by s square plus 2s, we see that their plot is on left hand side of the s plane for every gain k, for each value of gain k. So this system is stable. We can also see the plot of root locus for system gs equal to 1 plus s by s 0.5 s plus 1. In this system we have 0 at s equal to minus 1 and poles and 2 poles. So when we run this program, this is the root locus plot of given system. In this plot there are 2 poles, one at 0 and one at minus 2, and there are 1 0 at minus 1. Poles starts at k equal to 0 and ends at k equal to infinite. Similarly, at this point value of gain k is equals to 0. This plot is also on left hand side of s plane for each value of gain k. So this system is also stable. So here I am not explaining the rules of root locus, but the system's dynamic characteristics changes with respect to constant, that is gain. So this is system's dynamic characteristics. You can also see root locus plot for higher order systems, like if we add here one more pole, then this is third order system. As you see, the transfer function g equal to 1 by s cube plus 5s s square plus 6x. So this is third order system, and this is plot for this system. Here 3 poles are there, one at s equal to 0, second at minus 2 and third at minus 3. So as gain k increases, this system goes towards right hand side of s plane. So root locus plot is used to find the required value of gain with stable system. for a stable system. Like here, value of gain is 30 pole, and at 30.9 gain, value of pole is 0.0143 plus 2.48 I, means now the location of pole occurs at imaginary axis, and at that point overshoot is 102%, damping occurs at minus 0.00578. You can see here also gain is 1.07, damping 1, overshoot 0 at there. So by using this root locus plot, you can see the dynamic characteristics of given system. Thank you.